Welcome to the Phoenix Hunter channel. Today we will discuss the index trade setups and trade updates. The market is green. The futures are green just because of temporarily past the shutdown, right? So government passed the 45 days funding. Okay, so nobody is expecting shutdown here. Okay, market takes as usual positively and full green. Let us see tomorrow's action. Okay, before that, so yes, today is October 1st. So we'll summarize the last month overall. So last week, 2% increase in my portfolio, and in the last 1 month, 10%. So overall, we are reducing our reds, right? Let us see. These are all just because of I have heavily this SQQ and UVXY, and yes, if the market is going down, right, like this step by step. So I'm finally, if you go last four candles. Yes, market is red, right? So that is the reason my portfolio got increased since my legacy stocks are still in my portfolio. But step by step, I'm reducing the position, especially for SQQ, not UVXY. Okay, so now my SQQ overall position in my portfolio is 25%. Earlier it's around 50%, and in this month, last month, I slowly reduced my position here. Okay, and I want to close as much as possible in the next week trading setup. Okay, so we'll see. And my UVXV trade setup is the portfolio is around again it's 25%. Okay, so but I cannot close this position immediately, but let us see. Ultimately, I'm closing these two maybe in a loss overall. Okay, but why I'm closing? And because I'm not sure whether the market goes down or up. I want to use my new strategy as early as possible. Even yes, for the new stocks, right? For all these new stocks, I'm taking with my new strategy, but I want more liquidity, right? If 50% stocks, of course, I have a bandwidth to take the new positions, but overall, I think 40% overall, those two are occupied. In future, I don't take that much risk as per my new strategy. Okay, so then we'll see yesterday's means last Friday's transaction. So yes, I took two new positions as I discussed on previous video. I started my position where I started. Okay, so I took Dow Jones and see SPX. I'm just still waiting here, right? If the price cross this my line, then only I will purchase. I will short the market. Okay, I will short the S&P. Okay. Similarly, the same story for Nasdaq also. I think I'm close. Okay, if the market cross this line, then only I will start the position. I think maybe QQQ. Okay. Yes. So if the market cross this, then only I think I don't need to short, right? I already short with SQQ, the Nasdaq, but I took two stocks to short the Dow Jones. See the Dow Jones, right? So this crossed my line. So here I started my position. So I'm happy to take this and let us see. Okay. And next, what is next? IWM. Okay, I short this one. Okay, Russell 2000. So yes, it crossed my line, right? So I started the position. So almost the price is at the same price, same level. But once it crossed, I started the position. These are all my two positions, SDOW and SRTY. Okay, this is the one. So tomorrow's what is the expected action? I'm expecting a down day tomorrow, but tomorrow's game is interesting because uh, see this one, yes, 1 2 3 4 5, beautiful, right? And then I'm expecting one more 1 2 3 4 5 from here. Okay, this is 1 2, and this is big 3, and this is 4, and next 5. Okay, so I'm expecting the market goes down anytime next week. Okay, maybe may not be tomorrow, but tomorrow generally it has to come down something like it, I can feel that it's already started 1 2 3 4 and 5 here, right? After closing the previous low, right? Once it crosses, I may close at least 10% of my position in SQQ. Mostly, I may close UVXV also at least half of the position because, and one more is before going down, right? It may go up also, okay? Because there are a couple of gaps here. Yes, one gap has filled here, so there might be one more gap. It may go if tomorrow is green, the same like this. Even this is 0.73, right? It may hit. This is something like WXY. Okay. So now so far this is like a WXY. There is one more. It may close this gap. Okay. It is possible, but is it possible really? Yes, it is possible because I'm expecting this much length here. Okay, if I take the double clone, okay, I'm expecting this much length. Okay, the maybe the time wise, and so this W may close somewhere here. Okay, WXY. What is this WX again? No, something W starts here, and what is this? WX. Okay, this is a W, and it will start something like this. It may possible. Okay, so the time wise, you can say. So if the market follows this, yes, till this period, right? Means October 5th. I think this might be possible. Okay, it may take one more turn like a double XY. It's a double zigzag, not the ABC. Okay, it is possible. Okay, so definitely I will average the time. Okay, so we'll see when I will take the SPX that time. But I already take the positions for Dow Jones and Russell. I already shorted, and I'm happy to average more. Okay, and this decline also limited, right? Because even if I go 5 here, there is a one more 4 5, right? It's a one more big four 1 2 3 1 2, and then big 3, and again big 4 and big 5. Okay, so step by step the market goes down. This is my expectation, but yes, anything is possible. Okay, so that one we will discuss, because there is a big one more big one, right? So far this is I am expecting right now, and that time this big one, it may take so 1 week or 2 weeks up market. Okay, something like this after here. Okay, so that we will discuss later. That will take a couple of weeks. Okay, so now, yes, I'm shorting the market. Let us see. Okay, and yes, thank you. The one more final point here is the silver. Okay, silver is I'm going to close tomorrow. ZSL. So right now ZSL, right? So tomorrow I'm going to close this. Yes, I'm shorting the metals, right? So I close this position, the dust, right? That is the gold minus. I closed the position, and tomorrow I'm going to close the silver short, that is the ZSL. Okay, so due to this immediate plunge, I didn't average the position, but still I'm okay. So right now I'm in 7% green. So once I reach around 10%, I'm happy to close this position. Once the market reach this bottom trend line, so I'm happy to close this position for with overall 10%, and then slowly I will take the position for long. Even I'm very much bullish on gold, silver, gold miners. These are all, but immediate, very short period. I'm see gold, gold is plunging here. I think yes, we are in good position here. If we go one day, yes, it reached my trend line here. We can start the long positions, but let us see. So I think here also it's very clear there is one more down here. I'm expecting like 1, 2. This is a beautiful 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. Uh, Let us see. The gold also, it may go down a little bit, but yes, it reached my trend line. But actually, I think this is a small trend line. If I take a bigger one, so yes, there is one more short here, right? Till 5. So then automatically it will take this resistance level. So let us see. I'm expecting one more plunge here, one more down. So here I'm happy to take the long position. Okay. Yes, I'm expecting 10 to 15%. I'm happy to give the long position. So there is actually in the market, right? So I observed a lot of stocks, but couple of stocks are going down, like Apple and Tesla. I'm expecting down, but semiconductor stocks are too much aggressive. So even there are a lot of stocks to purchase, okay, for the long position, okay. And once it reach here, right, tomorrow, 443, I'm happy to take a long position, but I will take some time. But this is I'm happy to take the long position here. And Nike, right? There are a couple of stocks see. Yes, I'm expecting a small down tomorrow, and something like this. So somewhere, right? I will go a long position here. Of course, these are all short period. In the next 1 2 weeks, I will sell these positions. Okay. There are so many shorts, there are so many longs, Google, Amazon, but Apple and Nvidia, Tesla, right? These are all in the short side. So markets are, as I expected, it will go down and up and down like 4 5 4 5. There are so many 4 5s here. Let us see. Will market is very interesting. We'll discuss more trades in the next week.